7th, 2010, the day after the big Boxing Day blizzard in New York City. In the background you can see our apartment building. It's the one in the middle of the three buildings, and I'm in Central Park. This is a path where they were obviously sledding down earlier today. This building over here in the background, that's the west side. And there in the distance, right below where the sun is shining, are the Dakota buildings made famous in the movie Ghostbusters. And the wind is still blowing very hard. Snow is still flying. It's very light snow because it's very cold, powdery. And there's almost no snow in the trees because the wind just blew it away completely. Straight ahead, this is Central Park South, and here is the east side again. And a little bit of the ground. You can see the effect of the blizzard, the wind, and back to our buildings.